Hello friends, my name is Abhinav Pandey. How are you? I'm sure you are good. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo soy Abhinav Pandey, encantada. So friends, in previous topic we have discovered the some new basic sentences and some new alphabets related and some various vegetables and fruits name. So in this week I will giving you some new topic, that is some new mini stories. So how you can translate in a basic Spanish language, how you can convert the English language into Spanish language, you can go through these mini stories. So first mini story I come through, that is to help Adrian to get the Stella number. एड्रियन को स्टेला का नंबर मिल जाए, तो एक ऐसी मिनी स्टोरी लाया हूं आपके लिए। इसमें 4 कैरेक्टर्स हैं। सबसे पहला है एड्रियन, जो कि स्टेला का नंबर मांगना चाह रहा है, who is finding the Stella number. मिया, मिया सिस्टर फ्रेंड मींस स्टेला की फ्रेंड है वो। राफेल, एड्रियन एंड स्टेला फादर, and last is Stella, the main character, from whom the Adrian is finding the number. Stella, Adrian's sister, and Rafael, daughter. So let's start the topic. Vamos empezar el tema. So there are some vocabularies, that is how if you say in English, then what you say in Spanish language. For example, how are you? What you say in Spanish? ¿Cómo estás? You already know. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? I am fine. Estoy bien. Estoy bien. Necesitas. Necesitas is need. Necesitas is need. Ayuda, help. ¿Cuál? ¿Cuál means what? Número, number. Pregunta, ask. If you're asking something, then pregunta. Telefono, telephone. So these are the words which I am using in this conversation. Okay. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien. I am fine. Necesitas, need. Ayuda, help. ¿Cuál? What? Número, number. Pregunta, ask. And last, teléfono, telephone. You can see clearly these are the vocabularies which are used in this conversation. Then let's move to the conversation. So start. Mia, what is Mia saying? Hola, Adrian, ¿cómo estás? I have written these English translation after them, the Spanish language. Here you can see, Hola Adrian, ¿cómo estás? Which means, hello Adrian, how are you? Then what Adrian replied? Hola Mia, estoy bien. Hello Mia, I am fine. Then what Mia say? Necesitas ayuda. Necesitas, I already told you what necesitas says, need. So what Mia says to Adrian, necesitas ayuda, which means, do you need help? Do you need help? Adrian, then what replied Adrian? ¿Cuál es el número de teléfono? ¿Cuál es el número de teléfono de Stella? Okay. ¿Cuál es el número de teléfono de Stella? What is the phone number of Stella? Okay, and what Mia replied? Pregunta a Stella. Ask to Stella. Okay, so what is Adrian find? Adrian is just know where is this number of Stella. Then Mia replied, ask to Stella. So this is the half story. I will tell you in the next lecture. Then there is a conclusion in that. Okay. Before I go, then you see there are 2 exclamation marks, 2 question marks. You already know this. I am discussing in the grammar lecture which I start earlier as possible. Okay, then repeat these sentences with me. Help Adrian to get the Stella number. तो एड्रियन सबसे पहले कहाँ गया? सबसे पहले गया मिया के पास. मिया कौन थी? मिया उसकी स्टेला की फ्रेंड थी. तो मिया ने क्या बोला एड्रियन से? ओला एड्रियन, ¿cómo estás? Hello Adrian, how are you? Then what Adrian replied? Hola Mia, estoy bien. Hello Mia, I am fine. Then Mia, ¿necesitas ayuda? Do you need help? And what Adrian replied? ¿Cuál es el número de teléfono de Stella? What is the phone number of Stella? Then Mia replied, Pregunta a Stella. Ask to Stella. Then I will give the conclusion in the second lecture of this. So friend, if you like these sentences, then please like, share, comment and subscribe, and do not repeat these sentences after the end of the lecture, because if you repeat these sentences, then you can go through better and your pronunciation is more good. So till then, adios, buenos dias, goodbye, good morning.